आप कहाँ से हैं?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
आप कहाँ पर हैं?
Where are you? Where are you?
मैं घर पर हूँ।
I am at home. I am at home.
मेरी बात सुनो।
Listen to me. Listen to me.
मुझसे बात करो।
Talk to me. Talk to me.
यहाँ ध्यान दो।
Pay attention here. Pay attention here.
मेरी तरफ देखो।
Look at me. Look at me.
क्या हुआ?
What happened? What happened?
सब ठीक है।
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
विश्वास रखो।
Have faith. Have faith.
ठीक से बात करो।
Talk properly. Talk properly.
लगे रहो।
Carry on. Carry on.
नहा लो।
Take a bath. Take a bath.
हाथ धो लो।
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
जल्दी आना।
Come soon. Come soon.
यहाँ आओ।
Come here. Come here.
वहाँ जाओ।
Go there. Go there.
ध्यान से जाना।
Go carefully. Go carefully.
आप कैसे हैं?
How are you? How are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
I am fine. I am fine.
क्या चल रहा है?
What's going on? What's going on?
सब ठीक चल रहा है।
Everything is going well. Everything is going well.
आपके परिवार में सब कैसे हैं?
How is everyone in your family? How is everyone in your family?
सब अच्छे हैं।
Everyone is good. Everyone is good.
मुझे सुसु आई है।
I need to pee. I need to pee.
मेरी कसम खाओ।
Swear by me. Swear by me.
मैं भगवान की कसम खाता हूँ।
I swear by God. I swear by God.
मैं तुम्हारे साथ ईमानदार हूँ।
I am honest with you. I am honest with you.
कृपया मेरी मदद करो।
Please help me out. Please help me out.
बिस्तर लगा दो।
Make the bed. Make the bed.
चादर झाड़ दो।
Flick the bed sheet. Flick the bed sheet.
चादर बिछा दो।
Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet.
चाय छान दो।
Strain the tea. Strain the tea.
चाय बना दो।
Prepare the tea. Prepare the tea.
बर्तन धो दो।
Do the dishes. Do the dishes.
दही जमा दो।
Set the curd. Set the curd.
सब्जी छौंक दो।
Season the veggie. Season the veggie.
रोटी सेक दो।
Bake the chapatis. Bake the chapatis.
अकल से काम लो।
Use your brain. Use your brain.
मैं तुम्हें वचन देता हूँ।
I pledge you. I pledge you.
अपने आप को बदलो।
Change yourself. Change yourself.
तुम्हें किसने दुखी कर दिया?
Who made you sad? Who made you sad?
इसे ध्यान से पकड़ो।
Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully.
अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो।
Focus on your study. Focus on your study.
तुम नींद में बड़बड़ाते हो।
You talk gibberish in sleep. You talk gibberish in sleep.
वह शक्ल से मासूम लगता है।
He looks innocent by face. He looks innocent by face.
किसी और को ढूंढ लो।
Find someone else. Find someone else.
तुम कल कहाँ जाओगे?
Where will you go tomorrow? Where will you go tomorrow?
मैं अपने घर जाऊंगा।
I will go my home. I will go my home.
जोर से बोलो।
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ।
I am learning English. I am learning English.
मुझे कम मत समझना।
Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me.
ये तुम्हारी गलत फहमी है।
It's your misunderstanding. It's your misunderstanding.
मेरी कसम खाओ।
Swear by me. Swear by me.
मैं तुम्हारी कसम खाता हूँ।
I swear by you. I swear by you.
क्या आपके पास पैसे नहीं हैं?
Don't you have money? Don't you have money?
मैं तुम्हारे साथ ईमानदार हूँ।
I am honest with you. I am honest with you.
अपनी जेब से पैसे निकालो।
Take out the money from your pocket. Take out the money from your pocket.
मेरे पास खुले पैसे नहीं हैं।
I don't have change. I don't have change.
किसी ने मेरे पैसे चुरा लिए हैं।
Someone has stolen my money. Someone has stolen my money.
मुझ पर शक मत करो।
Don't doubt on me. Don't doubt on me.
गुस्सा मत करो।
Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper.
उस पर मत चिल्लाओ।
Don't shout at him. Don't shout at him.
अपना गुस्सा थूक दो।
Spit out your anger.
मुझे एक बात बताओ।
Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing.
मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ।
I agree with you. I agree with you.
इसका क्या मतलब है?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
मुझे सब बताओ।
Tell me everything. Tell me everything.
इधर आओ।
Come here. Come here.
मत छुओ।
Don't touch. Don't touch.
फेंक दो।
Throw it. Throw it.
अपना मुंह खोलो।
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
अपना भोजन खत्म करो।
Finish your food. Finish your food.
अपने पैर धो लो।
Wash your feet. Wash your feet.
मेरे साथ बैठो।
Sit with me. Sit with me.
मैं थक गया हूँ।
I am tired. I am tired.
अच्छा लगा।
It was nice. It was nice.
वो कहाँ है?
Where is she? Where is she?
आप कौन है?
Who are you? Who are you?
मैं यहाँ नया हूँ।
I am new here. I am new here.
अभी मेरे साथ आओ।
Come with me now. Come with me now.
बहाने मत बनाओ।
Don't make excuse. Don't make excuse.
मैं परेशानी में हूँ।
I am in trouble. I am in trouble.
ये मेरी गलती है।
It's my fault. It's my fault.
ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है।
It's all your fault. It's all your fault.
मैं वादा करता हूँ।
I promise. I promise.
कल मिलते हैं।
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
गाली मत दो।
Don't abuse. Don't abuse.
क्या आपको उसका नाम याद है?
Do you remember his name? Do you remember his name?
मुझे उसका नाम याद नहीं है।
I don't remember his name. I don't remember his name.
मैं उसका नाम भूल गया।
I forgot his name. I forgot his name.
क्या आपको उसका चेहरा याद है?
Do you remember his face? Do you remember his face?
आप कल क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow?
घर में आपका स्वागत है।
Welcome to home. Welcome to home.
हे भगवान!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
बहुत खूब।
Wonderful. Wonderful.
ईश्वर का धन्यवाद।
Thank God. Thank God.
ईश्वर की कृपा से।
By God's grace. By God's grace.
भगवान की कृपा से सब ठीक है।
By God's grace everything is okay. By God's grace everything is okay.
भगवान आपको सलामत रखे।
May God bless you. May God bless you.
सभी को सुप्रभात।
Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone.
शांति बनाए रखें।
Keep silence. Keep silence.
शांत रहो।
Be quiet. Be quiet.
शोर मत मचाओ।
Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise.
बात करना बंद करो।
Stop talking. Stop talking.
मैं इसे तुमसे नहीं लूंगा।
I will not take it from you. I will not take it from you.
क्या वे बहुत बातें करते हैं?
Do they talk a lot? Do they talk a lot?
वे एक दूसरे को पसंद नहीं करते।
They don't like each other. They don't like each other.
क्या आपको मिला?
Did you get it? Did you get it?
अपनी मुट्ठी खोलो।
Unclench your fist. Unclench your fist.
कानाफूसी मत करो।
Don't whisper. Don't whisper.
उसे बेचैनी हो रही है।
She is feeling uneasy. She is feeling uneasy.
उल्टा जवाब देना बंद करो।
Stop answering back. Stop answering back.
ये उसकी गलती नहीं है।
It's not his fault. It's not his fault.
आपको मेरा नंबर कहाँ से मिला?
How did you get my number? How did you get my number?
इसमें गुस्सा होने वाली क्या बात है?
What's there to get angry? What's there to get angry?
मैं सुबह से आपको कॉल करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I have been trying to call you since morning. I have been trying to call you since morning.
इंतजार कराने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ।
Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting.
मैं इसके सख्त खिलाफ हूँ।
I am dead set against it. I am dead set against it.
सावधान रहना।
Be on your guard. Be on your guard.
मेरा हाथ पकड़ो।
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
मेरा हाथ कसकर पकड़ो।
Hold my hand tightly. Hold my hand tightly.
क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं?
Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off?
कल मेरी छुट्टी है।
Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off.
क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो?
Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up?
ये सब क्या है?
What is all this? What is all this?
मैं थोड़ा ले लूं।
Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit?
अभी नहीं।
Not yet. Not yet.
पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था।
But I wanted it right now. But I wanted it right now.
कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या?
Is something wrong? Is something wrong?
ये मत करो।
Don't do it.
चिल्लाओ मत।
Don't shout.
आराम से।
Take it easy.
बस को रोको।
Stop the bus.
बस से नीचे उतरो।
Get off the bus.
बस में चढ़ो।
Get on the bus.
बाइक पर बैठो।
Sit on the bike.
चलो घूमने चलें।
Let's go to ramble.
थोड़ी देर में मुझे मिलना।
See me in a while.
वे बहुत पतला है।
He is so skinny.
वे मोटी है।
She is fat.
मेरी किस्मत खराब है।
I have bad luck. I have bad luck.
आजकल सब बुरा चल रहा है।
Everything is going bad nowadays. Everything is going bad nowadays.
ऐसी बहकी बहकी बातें मत करो।
Don't talk such absurd things. Don't talk such absurd things.
मैं यहाँ पढ़ा रही हूँ।
I am teaching here. I am teaching here.
तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
तुम्हें घर पर होना चाहिए।
You should be at home. You should be at home.
वह तुमसे मिलने आने वाला है।
He is about to come to meet you. He is about to come to meet you.
आटा छान लो।
Sift the flour. Sift the flour.
आटा गूंद दो।
Knead the dough. Knead the dough.
छोटी छोटी लोइयां बना दो।
Roll the dough into small balls. Roll the dough into small balls.
अब बात बिगड़ चुकी है।
Now the matter has taken serious turn. Now the matter has taken serious turn.
इसका कोई हल नहीं है।
It has no solution. It has no solution.
इसे कोई सुलझा नहीं सकता।
No one can solve it. No one can solve it.
कोई भरोसे के लायक नहीं है।
No one is trustworthy. No one is trustworthy.
किसी पर भरोसा मत करो।
Don't trust anyone. Don't trust anyone.
तुम कुछ नहीं जानते।
You don't know anything. You don't know anything.
अपने काम से काम रखो।
Mind your own business. Mind your own business.
सब मतलबी है।
All are selfish. All are selfish.
मुसीबत में कोई साथ नहीं देता।
No one accompanies in trouble. No one accompanies in trouble.
मैं तुम्हें यही समझाना चाहता था।
This is what I wanted to make you understand. This is what I wanted to make you understand.
मैं तुम्हें प्यार करती हूँ।
I love you. I love you.
मैं भी।
So do I. So do I.
फिर से कोशिश करो।
Try again. Try again.
मुझसे पूछो।
Ask me. Ask me.
मैं सहमत हूँ।
I agree. I agree.
उठ जाओ।
Get up. Get up.
जाग जाओ।
Wake up. Wake up.
ठीक है।
All right. All right.
इसे ले आओ।
Bring it. Bring it.
थोड़ा पानी पी लो।
Drink some water. Drink some water.
अपना खाना खाओ।
Have your meal. Have your meal.
मुझे माफ कर दो।
Forgive me. Forgive me.
मुझे परेशान मत करो।
Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me.
जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं।
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
हमें आमंत्रित करने के लिए शुक्रिया।
Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us.
ये दिन आपकी जिंदगी में बार बार आए।
Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day.
तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा?
How was your day? How was your day?
अपना पता बताओ।
Tell me your address. Tell me your address.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं चाहिए।
No, I don't want. No, I don't want.
अजीब बात है।
It's strange. It's strange.
आपको टोकने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ।
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you.
क्या तुम उधर जाओगे या मैं जाऊँ?
Will you go there or shall I? Will you go there or shall I?
मैं शहर कैसे जा सकता हूँ?
How can I go to the city? How can I go to the city?
मुझ पर एक एहसान कर दो।
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूँ।
I like you. I like you.
आवाज बढ़ा दो।
Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up.
आपको क्या लगता है?
What do you think? What do you think?
आप किस में सफल हुए हैं?
What have you succeeded in? What have you succeeded in?
आपका नाम लिस्ट में है।
Your name is on the list. Your name is on the list.
अच्छा दिन है।
It's a lovely day. It's a lovely day.
आपकी बहुत मेहरबानी है।
That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you.
तुम बहुत तेज गाड़ी चला रहे हो।
You are driving too fast. You are driving too fast.
तुम बहुत बोलते हो।
You speak a lot. You speak a lot.
क्या कोई परेशानी है?
Is there any problem? Is there any problem?
मूर्ख मत बनो।
Don't be silly. Don't be silly.
वो ईमानदार है।
She is honest. She is honest.
अपने काम पर ध्यान दो।
Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on your work.
ये कौन है?
Who is he? Who is he?
आओ बाहर चलें।
Let's go out. Let's go out.
क्या आप आ सकते हो?
Can you come? Can you come?
मैं जाने ही वाला था।
I was about to go. I was about to go.
कितना टाइम हुआ है?
What's the time? What's the time?
4 बजे हैं।
It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock.
मुझे घबराहट हो रही है।
I'm so nervous. I am so nervous.
तुमने क्या किया?
What did you do? What did you do?
मेरा इंतजार करना।
Wait for me. Wait for me.
ये खा लो।
Eat it. Eat it.
मैं खा नहीं सकता।
I can't eat. I can't eat.
मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो।
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
तुम कुछ तो बोलो।
You say something. You say something.
क्या आपने उसे देखा?
Did you see him? Did you see him?
आपकी उम्र क्या है?
How old are you? How old are you?
मेरे साथ आओ।
Come with me. Come with me.
मैंने गौर किया।
I noticed that. I noticed that.
सच कड़वा होता है।
Truth is bitter. Truth is bitter.
मैं आ रहा हूँ।
I'm coming. I am coming.
मुझे चैन से जीने दो।
Let me live peacefully. Let me live peacefully.
तुम गलत हो।
You are wrong. You are wrong.
उससे बात करो।
Talk to him. Talk to him.
तुम उदास क्यों हो?
Why are you sad? Why are you sad?
अपना मूड ठीक करो।
Set your mood. Set your mood.
ये मेरे लिए बड़ी बात है।
This is a big deal for me. This is a big deal for me.
कभी हार मत मानो।
Never give up. Never give up.
समय बहुत कीमती है।
Time is very precious. Time is very precious.
जीवन अनमोल है।
Life is precious. Life is precious.
सपने सच होते हैं।
Dreams come true. Dreams come true.
ज्ञान शक्ति है।
Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power.
अपने दिल की सुनो।
Follow your heart. Follow your heart.
खुद पर विश्वास रखो।
Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself.
आप अकेले नहीं हैं।
You are not alone. You are not alone.
काम चल रहा है।
Work in progress. Work in progress.
रुक कर थोड़ा आराम कर लो।
Take a break. Take a break.
गलतियों से सीखो।
Learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes.
काम बोलता है।
Action speaks louder. Action speaks louder.
समय सब ठीक कर देता है।
Time heals everything. Time heals everything.
अच्छा दिन बीते।
Have a good day. Have a good day.
ये सुनी सुनाई बात है।
It's hearsay. It's hearsay.
अब तुम्हारी तबीयत कैसी है?
How is your health now? How is your health now?
पहले से बेहतर है।
Better than before. Better than before.
डॉक्टर ने क्या कहा?
What did doctor say? What did doctor say?
तुम जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे।
You will get well soon. You will get well soon.
मैं तुम्हारा गला दबा दूंगा।
I will choke you. I will choke you.
मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा।
I will kill you. I will kill you.
मैं तुम्हें चाकू घोंप दूंगा।
I will stab you. I will stab you.
इससे कुछ नहीं होगा।
Nothing will happen with it. Nothing will happen with it.
नींबू पानी बना दो।
Make the lemonade. Make the lemonade.
पंखा चला दो।
Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan.
चलो खेलने चलते हैं।
Let's go to play. Let's go to play.
मैं बोर हो गई हूँ।
I have got bored. I have got bored.
साइकिल मत चलाओ।
Don't ride cycle. Don't ride cycle.
पहले टायर में हवा भर लो।
Inflate the tire first. Inflate the tire first.
तुम गिर जाओगे।
You will fall down. You will fall down.
फोन उठाओ।
Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone.
कुछ काम है।
There is some work. There is some work.
मैं यही चाहता था।
This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted.
बाहर देखो जरा।
Just look outside. Just look outside.
आसमान में तारे टिमटिमा रहे हैं क्या?
Are the stars twinkling in the sky? Are the stars twinkling in the sky?
रात को रोज बारिश हो जाती है।
It rains daily at night. It rains daily at night.
आज बारिश भी हो सकती है।
It may rain today. It may rain today.
मैं यही तो सीखना चाहता था।
This is what I wanted to learn. This is what I wanted to learn.
आपका धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Thank you.
क्या तुम खाली हो?
Are you free? Are you free?
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा।
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
मैं आपका एहसानमंद हूँ।
I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you.
मुझे चिढ़ाओ मत।
Don't mock me. Don't mock me.
तुम समझते क्यों नहीं हो?
Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand?
तुम हमेशा अपनी चलाते हो।
You always boss around. You always boss around.
गलतियाँ इंसान से ही होती है।
To err is human. To err is human.
मुझे अगले चौराहे पर उतार देना।
Drop me at next crossing. Drop me at next crossing.
इसे रख दो।
Put it, put it.
इसे खा लो।
Have it, have it.
इस पर फूंक मार दो।
Blow on it, blow on it.
ये गरम है।
It's hot, it's hot.
मेरी चिंता मत करो।
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
ये मंदिर है।
It's temple, it's temple.
चप्पल पहनकर अंदर मत जाओ।
Don't go inside wearing slippers. Don't go inside wearing slippers.
मुझ पर मत हंसो।
Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me.
अपना व्यवहार बदल लो।
Change your behavior. Change your behavior.
कृपया कार को खोल दो।
Please unlock the car. Please unlock the car.
ये लो चाबी।
Here is the key. Here is the key.
टैक्सी कर लो।
Hire a taxi. Hire a taxi.
अकेले मत टहलो।
Don't walk alone. Don't walk alone.
वो क्या है?
What is that? What is that?
मैं कौन हूँ?
Who am I? Who am I?
अपने कमरे में जाओ।
Go to your room. Go to your room.
आराम से करो।
Take it easy. Take it easy.
मुझे नहीं पता।
I don't know. I don't know.
ये क्या है?
What is this? What is this?
दूसरों पर निर्भर मत रहो।
Don't depend on others. Don't depend on others.
कौन है?
Who is there? Who is there?
सच सच बोलो।
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
What do you want? What do you want?
इस तरफ देखो।
Look this way. Look this way.
क्या तुम मुझे सिखा सकते हो?
Can you teach me? Can you teach me?
तैयार हो जाओ।
Get ready. Get ready.
हमेशा ईमानदार रहो।
Always be honest. Always be honest.
क्या ये तुम्हारा है?
Is it yours? Is it yours?
तुम मेरे क्या लगते हो?
What are you to me? What are you to me?
किसी का दिल मत दुखाओ।
Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone.
तुम्हें किसने बताया?
Who told you? Who told you?
मुझे ये वाला पसंद है।
I like this one. I like this one.
मेरा विश्वास करो।
Believe me. Believe me.
तुमने अच्छा काम किया।
You did a good job. You did a good job.
मेरे पास समय नहीं है।
I don't have time. I don't have time.
क्या करें?
What to do? What to do?
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है।
I need you. I need you.
आप कहाँ काम करते हो?
Where do you work? Where do you work?
मैं माफी चाहता हूँ।
I apologize. I apologize.
एक तरफ हो जाओ।
Get aside. Get aside.
लड़ो मत।
Don't fight. Don't fight.
क्या आपको पता है?
Do you know? Do you know?
समझा करो।
Please understand. Please understand.
मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम।
I know nothing. I know nothing.
उसके नखरे तो देखो।
Look her tantrums. Look her tantrums.
ये बहुत ज्यादा है।
This is too much. This is too much.
मुझे खुद पर विश्वास है।
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
मैं तुम्हें चेतावनी दे रहा हूँ।
I am warning you. I am warning you.
इसे मत तोड़ो।
Don't break it. Don't break it.
तुम कहाँ थे?
Where were you? Where were you?
मैं रास्ते में था।
I was on the way. I was on the way.
आपका ध्यान कहाँ है?
Where is your attention? Where is your attention?
इतना घमंड अच्छा नहीं है।
Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good.
वह मुझे नजरअंदाज कर रही थी।
She was ignoring me. She was ignoring me.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ।
Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
आपको चोट कैसे लगी?
How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt?
मैं तंग आ गया हूँ।
I am fed up. I am fed up.
तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है?
Who is behind you? Who is behind you?
मेरे पीछे कोई नहीं है।
No one is behind me. No one is behind me.
संपर्क में रहना।
Keep in touch. Keep in touch.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए।
I don't need. I don't need.
ज्यादा मत बोलो।
Don't speak over. Don't speak over.
धीरे बोलो।
Speak slowly. Speak slowly.
मुझे रुकने दो।
Let me stay. Let me stay.
ये मेरे समझ में नहीं आया।
I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
उसे अंदर आने दो।
Let him in. Let him in.
मुझे याद आया।
I recalled. I recalled.
सच में।
Really? Really?
एक बार देखना।
Have a look. Have a look.
मेरे सारे पैसे खो गए।
I lost all my money. I lost all my money.
अब मैं क्या करूं?
What should I do now? What should I do now?
सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा।
Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine.
अपने मन की बात कहो।
Speak your mind. Speak your mind.
जैसा है वैसा बताओ।
Tell it like it is. Tell it like it is.
मेरे मन में आया।
It crossed my mind. It crossed my mind.
एक बार और करो।
Do it once more. Do it once more.
उसका चेहरा चमक उठा।
Her face lit up. Her face lit up.
कुछ देर ठहरो।
Stay a little while. Stay a little while.
मेरे सर में खुजली हो रही है।
My head itches. My head itches.
2 दिन और।
2 days more. 2 days more.
पैदल आओ।
Come on foot. Come on foot.
वह देर से आई।
She came late. She came late.
उसे माफ कर दो।
Excuse her. Excuse her.
उसने मुझे माफ कर दिया।
He excused me. He excused me.
आगे झुको।
Bend forward. Bend forward.
धीरे करो।
Slow down. Slow down.
आगे क्या हुआ?
What happened next? What happened next?
अपने तरीके से करो।
Do it your way. Do it your way.
मेरे कान में चीखो मत।
Don't scream in my ear. Don't scream in my ear.
अपनी उम्र के हिसाब से बर्ताव करो।
Act your age. Act your age.
आगे से ऐसा मत करना।
Don't do so in future. Don't do so in future.
वह बीमार पड़ गई।
She fell ill. She fell ill.
एक और खाओ।
Have another one. Have another one.
मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ।
I am famished. I am famished.
किस किस का हो गया?
Who all are done? Who all are done?
मुझे अब जाना होगा।
I have to leave now. I have to leave now.
आप पहले जा सकते हो।
You can go first. You can go first.
मैं कल काफी बिजी हूँ।
I am quite busy tomorrow. I am quite busy tomorrow.
ये बात तो है।
That's a point. That's a point.
मुद्दे पर आओ।
Come to the point. Come to the point.
वह तुम्हें जाने नहीं देगी।
She will not let you go. She will not let you go.
हम आपकी प्रतीक्षा करेंगे।
We will wait for you. We will wait for you.
मुझे म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद है।
I love music. I love music.
क्या तुम्हारा भाई शादी कर रहा है?
Is your brother getting married? Is your brother getting married?
ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है।
It's really not a big deal. It's really not a big deal.
चलो आज रात बाहर खाना खाते हैं।
Let's eat out tonight. Let's eat out tonight.
मैं आज रात बाहर नहीं जाना चाहता।
I don't want to go out tonight. I don't want to go out tonight.
बोतल भर दो।
Fill the bottle. Fill the bottle.
कचरा फेंक दो।
Throw the trash. Throw the trash.
मुझे गुस्सा आ गया।
I got angry. I got angry.
मुझे अपमानित किया गया।
I was insulted. I was insulted.
मुझे अफसोस है।
I regret. I regret.
कुछ भी हो।
Come what may. Come what may.
अब अभ्यास नहीं रहा।
Now I am out of practice. Now I am out of practice.
और ऊंचा बोलो।
Speak more loudly. Speak more loudly.
हाँ क्यों नहीं?
Yes, why not? Yes, why not?
और पढ़ो।
Read more. Read more.
जाने मत दो।
Don't let go. Don't let go.
मेरे सिर में दर्द है।
I have a headache. I have a headache.
मेरे सर में बहुत ज्यादा दर्द है।
I have a terrible headache. I have a terrible headache.
मेरे आधे सिर में दर्द होता है।
I have cluster headaches. I have cluster headaches.
मेरा सिर घूम रहा है।
I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy.
मेरा जी मिचला रहा है।
I am feeling nauseated. I am feeling nauseated.
मुझे उल्टी हो गई।
I vomited up. I vomited up.
मेरी आंखें दुख रही है।
I have sore eyes. I have sore eyes.
उसकी आंखें लाल हैं।
Her eyes are red. Her eyes are red.
तुम्हारी औकात क्या है?
What's your status? What's your status?
अपनी सलाह अपने पास रखें।
Keep your advice to yourself. Keep your advice to yourself.
साबुन लगाओ,
Soap yourself. Soap yourself.
अपने पैर डालो,
Put your leg in. Put your leg in.
जाओ पहले पॉटी कर लो,
Go and poop first. Go and poop first.
तुम चलो मैं आता हूँ,
You go, I'm coming along. You go, I'm coming along.
चाय बनाओ पियोगे,
Shall I make tea for you? Shall I make tea for you?
तुम वैसा कुछ नहीं करोगे,
You won't do anything of the kind. You won't do anything of the kind.
सारी मोमबत्तियाँ एक फूंक में बुझा दो,
Blow all the candles in one go. Blow all the candles in one go.
इसमें लिखा है 5 मिलीलीटर।
It says 5 ml. It says 5 ml.
वो मुझसे 3 साल बड़ी है,
She is 3 years older than I am. She is 3 years older than I am.
वो मरने के कगार पर है,
He is on the verge of death. He is on the verge of death.
भगवान जाने वो कहाँ है,
God knows where he is. God knows where he is.
तुम आगे आगे बोलते हो,
You speak out of turn. You speak out of turn.
अब हम क्या करें?
What shall we do now? What shall we do now?
शायद मैं कुछ ज्यादा ही मांग रहा हूँ।
Perhaps I am asking too much. Perhaps I am asking too much.
आप 10 लड़कियों में से एक अच्छी लड़की हो,
You are the one who is good out of 10 girls. You are the one who is good out of 10 girls.
10 में से 9 लोग ये वाला पसंद करते हैं।
9 out of 10 people prefer this one. 9 out of 10 people prefer this one.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है,
Whatever happens is for the best. Whatever happens is for the best.
मैं क्या सोच रहा था भूल गया।
I forgot my train of thought. I forgot my train of thought.
आज क्लास में क्या सिखाया?
What have been taught in the class today? What have been taught in the class today?
क्या इंग्लिश की क्लास हुई आज?
Did you have English class today? Did you have English class today?
वो काफी दूर है, चलो बस कर लेते हैं।
That's too far. Let's ride the bus. That's too far. Let's ride the bus.
उसके हाथ पैर लंबे लंबे हैं,
She has long arms and legs. She has long arms and legs.
अगर डर लग रहा है तो मेरा हाथ पकड़ लो,
Hold my hand if you are afraid. Hold my hand if you are afraid.
एक हाथ दो, दूसरे हाथ लो,
You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours. You scratch my back and I'll scratch yours.
मैं आपके आगे हाथ जोड़ता हूँ,
I beg you. I beg you.
उसने मेरा दिल दुखाया है,
He has hurt me. He has hurt me.
एक दिन उसे एहसास होगा,
She will realize one day. She will realize one day.
जिसके ऊपर बीतती है वही जानता है।
Only they can realize who have suffered. Only they can realize who have suffered.
तुम्हारी और तुम्हारे भाई की नहीं बनती है,
Your brother and you don't get along. Your brother and you don't get along.
उसे साफ साफ मना कर दो,
Give him a flat refusal. Give him a flat refusal.
जितना ज्यादा उतना अच्छा।
The more the better. The more the better.
उसे पूरी रात खांसी आती है,
He had been coughing throughout the night. He had been coughing throughout the night.
वो चुप रहा।
He kept mum. He kept mum.
चलो इसी बात पे एक एक चाय हो जाए।
This calls for some sips of tea. This calls for some sips of tea.
वह कभी बहुत सुंदर थी,
Once she was very beautiful. Once she was very beautiful.
वह कभी एक प्रसिद्ध डॉक्टर था,
Once he was a famous doctor. Once he was a famous doctor.
वह कभी जाना माना गायक हुआ करता था,
Once he was a well-known singer. Once he was a well-known singer.
मुझे समझ नहीं आता तुम इस बारे में क्यों बोलती रहती हो।
I don't know why you keep on about this. I don't know why you keep on about this.
मैंने सब्जियां छांट छांट कर ली,
I sorted through the vegetables before buying it. I sorted through the vegetables before buying it.
पालक छांट छांट कर लेना,
Sort the spinach then buy. Sort the spinach then buy.
खाने को कुछ भी नहीं है,
There is nothing to eat. There is nothing to eat.
मैं हर कदम पर तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा।
I'll support you all the way. I'll support you all the way.
ये किससे बना हुआ है?
What is it made of? What is it made of?
ये प्लास्टिक से बना हुआ है।
This is made of plastic. This is made of plastic.
तुम्हें वो करना चाहिए जो तुम कर सकते हो।
You should do what you can. You should do what you can.
तुम्हें वो नहीं करना चाहिए जो काम तुमसे करने के लिए ना कहा जाए।
You should not do the things what you are not told.
लाओ मैं तुम्हारी पीठ पर साबुन लगा देती हूँ।
Let me soap your back. Let me soap your back.
वह कौन से विषय में कमजोर है?
Which subject is he weak on? Which subject is he weak on?
मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है लेकिन मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
I can't get to sleep but I'm trying. I can't get to sleep but I'm trying.
कुत्ते को भगा दो।
Shoo the dog. Shoo the dog.
राम दूध गिरा देगा।
Ram might spill the milk. Ram might spill the milk.
कपड़े जल जाएंगे।
The clothes might burn. The clothes might burn.
बेबी को आग से डराओ।
Scare the baby away the fire. Scare the baby away the fire.
मुर्गा बनो।
Crouch like a chicken. Crouch like a chicken.
समय क्या हुआ है?
What time is it? What time is it?
क्या तुम्हें पता है कि समय क्या हुआ है?
Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is?
मैं तुम्हें डराना नहीं चाहती थी।
I didn't mean to scare you. I didn't mean to scare you.
वो जानता होगा उसके बारे में।
He must know about him. He must know about him.
वो मुझसे चाय बनवाती है।
She makes me prepare tea. She makes me prepare tea.
अपनी बात में वजन रखो।
Make your opinion count. Make your opinion count.
दरवाजे से मत खेलो वरना हाथ आ जाएगा।
Don't play with the door or you'll crush your hand. Don't play with the door or you'll crush your hand.
क्या तुम्हें दिख रहा है कि अंतिम तिथि कहाँ लिखी हुई है?
Do you see where it says the expiration date? Do you see where it says the expiration date?
मुझे आपकी बात अच्छी लगी।
I found your point interesting. I found your point interesting.
हमने उसके पिता के बारे में लंबी बातचीत की।
We had a long talk about his father. We had a long talk about his father.
तुम्हारी नियत खराब है।
You have bad intentions. You have bad intentions.
तुम्हारी लिखावट कितनी अच्छी है।
Your writing is so neat. Your writing is so neat.
ये बहुत ही काम का था।
It was very useful. It was very useful.
क्या अंधेरा हो रहा है?
Is it getting dark? Is it getting dark?
ये तौलिया नम लग रहा है।
This towel feels damp. This towel feels damp.
खड़े हो जाओ।
Stand up. Stand up.
बैठ जाओ।
Have a seat. Have a seat.
चलो चलते हैं।
Let's go. Let's go.
समय पर आना।
Be on time. Be on time.
जिद मत करो।
Don't insist. Don't insist.
इसे संभालो।
Handle it. Handle it.
इसे पकड़ो।
Hold it. Hold it.
सावधान रहो।
Be careful. Be careful.
धीरे चलो।
Walk slowly. Walk slowly.
जरा रुको।
Just wait. Just wait.
इसे करो।
Do it. Do it.
ऐसा मत करो।
Don't do like that. Don't do like that.
इसे अभी करो।
Do it right now. Do it right now.
इसे फिर से करो।
Do it again. Do it again.
इसे दोबारा मत करना।
Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
मेरे पास 2 कार हैं।
I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars.
मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं।
I have 2 children. I have 2 children.
अदरक कूट दो।
Crush the ginger. Crush the ginger.
झाड़ू लगा दो।
Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor.
पोछा लगा दो।
Mop up the floor. Mop up the floor.
कपड़े निचोड़ दो।
Wring out the clothes. Wring out the clothes.
कपड़े धो दो।
Wash the clothes. Wash the clothes.
दूध उबाल दो।
Boil the milk. Boil the milk.
सब्जियां धो दो।
Rinse the vegetables. Rinse the vegetables.
गाजर कस लो।
Grate the carrots. Grate the carrots.
दूध गरम कर दो।
Warm up the milk. Warm up the milk.
आंच तेज कर दो।
Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat.
चावल बीन दो।
Pick over the rice. Pick over the rice.
आंच धीमा कर दो।
Turn down the heat. Turn down the heat.
प्याज भून दो।
Saute the onion. Saute the onion.
गेहूं पीस दो।
Grind the wheat. Grind the wheat.
प्याज के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े कर दो।
Chop the onions. Chop the onions.
यह ठीक है।
This is fine. This is fine.
यह मेरा है।
This is mine. This is mine.
आप चिंता ना करें।
You don't worry. You don't worry.
यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाओ।
Get out from here. Get out from here.
हम तैयार हैं।
We are ready. We are ready.
कितनी दूर?
How far? How far?
मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है।
I am getting angry. I am getting angry.
गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है?
Why are you getting angry? Why are you getting angry?
तुम क्यों परेशान हो?
Why are you upset? Why are you upset?
मुझे पसंद नहीं है।
I don't like. I don't like.
मैं आपसे निराश हूँ।
I am disappointed with you. I am disappointed with you.
बस आ रहा हूँ।
Just coming. Just coming.
मुझे आपकी मदद चाहिए।
I need your help. I need your help.
क्या आपको यकीन है?
Are you sure? Are you sure?
ध्यान से सड़क पार करो।
Cross the road carefully. Cross the road carefully.
बासी खाना मत खाओ।
Don't eat stale food. Don't eat stale food.
उसने मुझे मारा।
He hit me. He hit me.
थोड़ा खिसको।
Move a bit. Move a bit.
इस्त्री मत छूना।
Don't touch the iron. Don't touch the iron.
क्या खाना तुम्हें अच्छा लगा?
Did you like the food? Did you like the food?
पापा ये फटा है।
Daddy, it's torn. Daddy, it's torn.
फिर से तुम शोर कर रहे हो।
Still you are making noise. Still you are making noise.
मेरी पेंसिल छील दो।
Sharpen my pencil. Sharpen my pencil.
साफ साफ लिखो।
Write neatly. Write neatly.
पहले खाना खत्म करो।
First finish the food. First finish the food.
जोर से बोलो।
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
क्या खाना बहुत मसालेदार है?
Is the food too spicy? Is the food too spicy?
तुमने क्या गिफ्ट दिया?
What gift did you give? What gift did you give?
टेबल लगा दो।
Set the table. Set the table.
चटाई बिछा दो।
Lay the mat. Lay the mat.
भगवान आपका भला करे।
May God bless you. May God bless you.
ये मेरा सौभाग्य है।
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
कोई बात नहीं।
That's all right. That's all right.
क्या चल रहा है?
What is going on? What is going on?
क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोलते हो?
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
मजाक मत करो।
Stop kidding. Stop kidding.
अलविदा, फिर मिलते हैं।
Bye. See you again. Bye. See you again.
तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई?
How dare you? How dare you?
कृपया क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं?
Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that?
क्या आइडिया है?
What an idea. What an idea.
इस सम्मान के लिए धन्यवाद।
Thanks for this honor. Thanks for this honor.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं।
No, not at all. No, not at all.
यह बहुत ज्यादा है।
That is too much. That is too much.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
अपने काम से काम रखो।
Mind your own business. Mind your own business.
बोलने से पहले सोचा करो।
Think before you speak. Think before you speak.
बहुत अच्छे।
Well done. Well done.
इसे जारी रखें।
Keep it up. Keep it up.
मैं आपको बाद में कॉल करूँगा।
I will call you later. I will call you later.
मेरी नजरों से दूर हो जाओ।
Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight.
मैं समझा नहीं।
I didn't understand. I didn't understand.
तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
मेरी चीजों से दूर रहो।
Stay away from my stuff. Stay away from my stuff.
आपका इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है।
It's none of your business. It's none of your business.
मैं आज बहुत थका हुआ हूँ।
I'm dead tired today. I'm dead tired today.
हम दोनों एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं।
We both like each other. We both like each other.
जल्दी आओ।
Come quickly. Come quickly.
बाद में बात करते हैं।
Talk to you later. Talk to you later.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
तुम्हारी समस्या क्या है?
What is your problem? What is your problem?
क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ?
Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something?
आपकी पसंद और नापसंद क्या है?
What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes?
असुविधा के लिए खेद है।
Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience.
मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ?
What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
क्या तुम इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हो?
Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this?
ये कोई मजाक नहीं है।
This is not a joke. This is not a joke.
यहाँ क्या हो रहा है?
What is happening here? What is happening here?
क्या सब ठीक है?
Is everything all right? Is everything all right?
क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई?
Did you get my point? Did you get my point?
तुम्हें मुझसे क्या चाहिए?
What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
तुम कितने साल के हो?
How old are you? How old are you?
तुम्हारा ऑफिस कहाँ पर है?
Where is your office? Where is your office?
स्कूल जाने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ।
Get ready for school. Get ready for school.
मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा।
I will try my level best. I will try my level best.
क्या तुम साथ चल रहे हो?
Are you coming along? Are you coming along?
तुम मेरी जिम्मेदारी हो।
You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility.
यह ठीक नहीं है।
This is not fair. This is not fair.
तुम आज क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing today? What are you doing today?
कृपया कुछ बोलिए।
Please say something. Please say something.
मैं फिर से आऊँगा।
I will come again. I will come again.
तुम क्या लेना पसंद करोगे?
What would you like to have? What would you like to have?
आराम करो।
Take rest. Take rest.
तुम्हें एक बार में समझ नहीं आता।
Don't you understand at once? Don't you understand at once?
मुझे देखने दो।
Let me see. Let me see.
मुझे जाने की जरूरत है।
I need to go. I need to go.
आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
You don't need to go. You don't need to go.
आपका घर कहाँ है?
Where is your house? Where is your house?
तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया।
You did very well. You did very well.
संपर्क में रहना।
Keep in touch. Keep in touch.
अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो।
Use your brain. Use your brain.
मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो।
Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me.
क्या तुम व्यस्त हो?
Are you busy? Are you busy?
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ।
Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
जबान संभाल कर।
Mind your language. Mind your language.
तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो?
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
इसे दिल पर मत लो।
Don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard.
बस बहुत हो गया।
Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ।
Move out of my way. Move out of my way.
मैं आऊँगा।
I will come. I will come.
मैं जाऊँगा।
I will go. I will go.
चिल्लाओ मत।
Don't shout. Don't shout.
मुझे कुछ पैसों की जरूरत है।
I need some money. I need some money.
वे इंतजार कर रही है।
She is waiting. She is waiting.
मुझ पर एहसान कर दो।
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
मुझे घर छोड़ दो।
Drop me home. Drop me home.
बहुत दिनों से नहीं देखा।
Long time no see. Long time no see.
वे ईमानदार है।
He is honest. He is honest.
दिखावा मत करो।
Don't show off. Don't show off.
मुझे नींद आ रही है।
I am getting sleepy. I am getting sleepy.
मैं नहीं सो सकता।
I can't sleep. I can't sleep.
चलो कुछ नया सीखते हैं।
Let's learn something new. Let's learn something new.
ये थोड़ा महंगा है।
It's little expensive. It's little expensive.
ध्यान रहे।
Keep in mind. Keep in mind.
ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा होगा।
It will be good for you. It will be good for you.
तुम बहुत स्वार्थी हो।
You are so selfish. You are so selfish.
तुम इतने स्वार्थी कैसे हो सकते हो?
How can you be so selfish? How can you be so selfish?
भोजन परोस दो।
Serve food. Serve food.
चाय गरम कर दो।
Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea.
क्या तुम पागल हो?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
मैं डरा हुआ हूँ।
I'm scared. I am scared.
आलसी मत बनो।
Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
तुम इसी लायक हो।
You deserve it. You deserve it.
मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ।
I'm not ready. I am not ready.
मैं तुम्हें जल्द ही कॉल करूँगा।
I'll give you a bus soon. I will give you a bus soon.
मुझे नहीं पता कि आपने मुझे कब कॉल किया।
I don't know when you called me. I don't know when you called me.
बार बार कॉल मत करो।
Don't call over and over. Don't call over and over.
वे मोबाइल में मगन है।
He is engrossed in mobile. He is engrossed in mobile.
इसे आसान कर दो।
Make it easy. Make it easy.
सीधे जाना।
Go straight. Go straight.
मैं पैदल आया।
I came on foot. I came on foot.
थोड़ा सो लो।
Get some sleep. Get some sleep.
मुझे चक्कर आ रहा है।
I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy.
मैं इसे छोड़ता हूँ।
I give it up. I give it up.
दरवाजा बंद करो।
Lock the door. Lock the door.
मुझे यहाँ रहना पसंद है।
I like living here. I like living here.
मजाक करना बंद करो।
Stop joking. Stop joking.
इसे वहाँ रखो।
Keep it there. Keep it there.
किसी को भेजो।
Send someone. Send someone.
इसे नीचे ले जाओ।
Take it down. Take it down.
कौन सा लेना है?
Which one to take? Which one to take?
जल्दी उठो।
Get up early. Get up early.
आपको अभी जाना चाहिए।
You should go now. You should go now.
हर कोई उस बच्चे को प्यार करता है।
Everyone loves that child. Everyone loves that child.
मुझे वास्तव में किसी की जरूरत है।
I really need someone. I really need someone.
वह अच्छा गाती है।
She sings well. She sings well.
मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊंगा।
I will be back shortly. I will be back shortly.
वे वास्तव में अच्छा था।
It was really good. It was really good.
आप इसे खुद करो।
You do it yourself. You do it yourself.
आप मुझे प्रेरित करते हैं।
You inspire me. You inspire me.
मुझे थोड़ी सहायता की जरूरत है।
I need a little help. I need a little help.
ये तुम्हारी भूल नहीं है।
It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
काम करो।
Do the work. Do the work.
हंसना बंद करो।
Stop laughing. Stop laughing.
सोचना बंद करो।
Stop thinking. Stop thinking.
कृपया कुछ बोलो।
Please say something. Please say something.
अपनी मदद खुद करें।
Help yourself. Help yourself.
मैं काफी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ।
I feel much better. I feel much better.
क्या मैं कल आ सकता हूँ?
Can I come tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow?
मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया।
I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone.
उसको मत बताना।
Don't tell her. Don't tell her.
समय पर आओ।
Come on time. Come on time.
क्या करें?
What to do? What to do?
अपनी किताब बंद करें।
Close your book. Close your book.
मेरा दोस्त कहाँ है?
Where is my friend? Where is my friend?
अपने से बड़ों की इज्जत करो।
Respect your elders. Respect your elders.
तुम्हें ये लेना चाहिए।
You should take it. You should take it.
कोई रास्ता नहीं है।
There is no way. There is no way.
क्या ये सही है?
Is this correct? Is this correct?
क्या आप इसे फिर से समझा सकते हैं?
Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again?
आप बहुत दयालु हैं।
You are very kind. You are very kind.
मैंने कल अपनी घड़ी खो दी।
I lost my watch yesterday. I lost my watch yesterday.
मुझे बताओ ये कैसे काम करता है।
Tell me how it works. Tell me how it works.
मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ।
I want to do something. I want to do something.
मैं आज जल्दी घर नहीं आ सकता।
I can't come home early today. I can't come home early today.
मैं तुम्हारी मदद करना चाहूँगा।
I would like to help you. I would like to help you.
तुम मेरे साथ नहीं आओगे?
You will not come with me.
सर्दी आने वाली है।
Winter is around the corner.
आज मौसम कैसा है?
What's the weather like today?
आज हल्की हल्की ठंड है।
It's chilly today.
आज ठंड है।
It's cold today.
आज जमा देने वाली ठंड है।
It's icy cold today.
मुझे ठंड लग रही है।
I am feeling cold.
आज बहुत ठंड है।
It's very cold today.
मेरे हाथ पैर जमे जा रहे हैं।
My hands and feet are freezing.
आज की ठंड बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रही है।
The cold today is unbearable.
मेरी उंगलियां सुन हो रही हैं।
My fingers are getting numb.
आज और दिनों से ज्यादा ठंड है।
Today is colder than usual.
मेरी कुल्फी बन रही है।
I'm turning icy cold.
मेरे दांत किटकिटा रहे हैं।
My teeth are chattering.
क्या बाहर धूप है?
Is it sunny outside?
चलो धूप में बैठते हैं।
Let's sit in the sun.
आज अच्छी धूप है।
The sun is bright today.
चलो धूप सेकते हैं।
Let's bask in the sun.
सर्दी आ गई है।
Winter has kicked in.
आज कड़ाके की ठंड है।
It's freezing cold today.
मुझे सर्दी हो गई है।
I have a cold.
मुझे बुरी खांसी है।
I have a bad cough.
मेरा गला खराब है।
I have a sore throat.
मेरी नाक बह रही है।
I have a runny nose.
रात में अब थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंड बढ़ रही है।
The nights are getting cooler now.
मेरे होठ फट गए हैं।
My lips are chapped.
मुझे सर्दी का मौसम पसंद है।
I like winter season.
मेरी त्वचा रूखी हो गई है।
My skin has become dry.
ठंडी हवा चल रही है।
Cold wind is blowing.
दिन ब दिन ठंड होती जा रही है।
It is getting colder day by day.
आज कोहरा छाया हुआ है।
It's foggy today.
आज धुंध है।
It's misty today.
मुझे स्वेटर की जरूरत है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ठंड लग रही है।
I need a sweater because I am so cold.
शॉल ओढ़ लो।
Drape a shawl.
मैं हाथ ताप रहा हूँ।
I am warming my hands.
नंगे पैर मत चलो, तुम्हें ठंड लग जाएगी।
Don't walk barefoot, you will get cold.
बहुत ठंड है, अपना जैकेट पहन लो।
It's so cold, put on your jacket.
जैकेट की चैन बंद कर दो।
Zip up your jacket.
मैं गर्म पानी से नहाऊंगा।
I will take a bath with hot water.
बाहर निकलने से पहले खुद को ढक लो।
Cover yourself before going out.
सर्दियों में त्वचा रूखी सूखी हो जाती है।
Skin becomes rough and dry in winters.
यहाँ बर्फ गिर रही है।
It's snowing here.
क्या बहुत ज्यादा बर्फ गिर रही है?
Is it snowing heavily?
वह ठंड से कांप रहा है।
He is shivering due to cold.
मुझे अक्सर ठंड में जुकाम हो जाता है।
I often catch a cold in winters.
इतनी ठंड है कि मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए।
It's so cold that I have got goosebumps.
मेरे पैरों की उंगलियों में सूजन आ गई है।
I have got chilblains on my toes.
क्या आपको ठंड लग रही है?
Are you feeling cold?
मेरा कमरा बहुत ठंडा है।
My room is so cold.
आज मौसम अच्छा है लेकिन कल बहुत ठंडी थी।
Today the weather is nice, but yesterday it was very cold.
सर्दियों में बहुत जल्दी अंधेरा हो जाता है।
It gets dark very early in the winter.
क्या आपको सर्दियों का मौसम पसंद है?
Do you like winter season?
उसे धुंधला धुंधला दिखता है।
She has impaired vision. She has impaired vision.
मेरी नजर कमजोर है।
My eyesight is poor or I have poor vision. My eyesight is poor or I have poor vision.
उसकी नाक जाम है।
Her nose is stuffed up or her nose is clogged up. Her nose is stuffed up or her nose is clogged up.
मुझे छींक आ रही है।
I am sneezing. I am sneezing.
मेरी नाक से खून आ रहा है।
My nose is bleeding. My nose is bleeding.
मुझे भूख खुलकर नहीं लगती।
I don't have healthy appetites. I don't have healthy appetites.
मुझसे भूख बर्दाश्त नहीं होती।
I can't control my hunger. I can't control my hunger.
रोज पेट साफ नहीं होता।
I don't get regular motions. I don't get regular motions.
मुझे बुखार है।
I have a fever. I have a fever.
उसका माथा जल रहा है।
His forehead is burning. His forehead is burning.
मुझे हल्का बुखार है।
I have got a slight fever. I have got a slight fever.
मुझे तेज बुखार है।
I have a high fever. I have a high fever.
मुझे हरारत महसूस हो रही है।
I am feeling a bit feverish. I am feeling a bit feverish.
नेहा को बार बार बुखार हो जाता है।
Neha often gets a fever. Neha often gets a fever.
मुझे जुकाम है।
I have a cold or I have got a cold. I have a cold or I have got a cold.
गीले कपड़े उतार दो वरना जुकाम हो जाएगा।
Take off those wet clothes or you will catch a cold. Take off those wet clothes or you will catch a cold.
लगता है मुझे सर्दी होने वाली है।
I think I am catching a cold. I think I am catching a cold.
आज मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब है।
I am feeling quite ill today. I am feeling quite ill today.
उसके कान में दर्द है।
He has an earache. He has an earache.
मेरे कान में दर्द हुआ।
I had a pain in my ear. I had a pain in my ear.
मेरे पेट में हल्का हल्का दर्द बना हुआ है।
I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache.
मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है।
I have a pain in my stomach. I have a pain in my stomach.
मेरे पेट में गुड़गुड़ाहट हो रही है।
My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling.
परीक्षा वाले दिन मेरे पेट में खलबली मची हुई थी।
I had butterflies in my stomach on the day of the exam. I had butterflies in my stomach on the day of the exam.
मुझे अपच है।
I have indigestion. I have indigestion.
मेरा पेट खराब है।
I have an upset stomach. I have an upset stomach.
मेरे पेट में गैस बनी हुई है।
I have a bloated stomach. I have a bloated stomach.
मेरा पेट भारी सा लग रहा है।
I feel bloated. I feel bloated.
पेट में मरोड़न है।
I have griping pain in my stomach. I have griping pain in my stomach.
मुझे कब्ज है।
I have constipation. I have constipation.
मेरा गला दुख रहा है।
I have a sore throat or my throat hurts. I have a sore throat or my throat hurts.
मेरे गले में खराश है।
I have a dry throat. I have a dry throat.
मेरा गला बैठा हुआ है।
My voice is hoarse. My voice is hoarse.
मेरे गले में जलन हो रही है।
My throat is burning. My throat is burning.
मेरी गर्दन जकड़ी हुई है।
I have got a stiff neck. I have got a stiff neck.
मेरे कंधे अकड़े हुए हैं।
My shoulders are stiff. My shoulders are stiff.
मेरे पूरे शरीर में जकड़न है।
My entire body is stiff. My entire body is stiff.
मेरे हाथ में दर्द है।
My hand hurts or I have a pain in my hand. My hand hurts or I have a pain in my hand.
मेरे पूरे शरीर में दर्द है।
I am aching all over. I am aching all over.
मेरे पीठ में दर्द है।
My back hurts. My back hurts.
मेरे हाथ की नस चढ़ गई।
I feel cramp in my hand. I feel cramp in my hand.
मेरी एड़ी में मोच आ गई।
I sprained my ankle. I sprained my ankle.
मेरी एड़ी मुड़ गई।
I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle.
मेरा पैर टूट गया।
I broke my leg. I broke my leg.
मेरे हाथ सुन हो गए।
My hands have gone numb. My hands have gone numb.
अचानक से मेरे पैर की नस चढ़ गई।
My leg suddenly went into spasm. My leg suddenly went into spasm.
दिल्ली कौन जाएगा?
Who will go to Delhi? Who will go to Delhi?
4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात।
It's a 9 days wonder. It's a 9 days wonder.
तुम चाय बनाना कब सीखोगी?
When will you learn how to make tea? When will you learn how to make tea?
मैं जल्द ही सिखा दूंगा।
I will teach soon. I will teach soon.
मैं आपसे बहुत ज्यादा खुश हूँ।
I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you.
तुमसे मतलब।
Any concern to you? Any concern to you?
मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है।
I don't have spare time. I don't have spare time.
उसे इतना लाड प्यार मत करो।
Don't pamper him so much. Don't pamper him so much.
मुझे ये सोचने से भी डर लगता है।
I am afraid even thinking of it. I am afraid even thinking of it.
वह अचानक मशहूर हो गया।
He suddenly became famous. He suddenly became famous.
अपना चेहरा शीशे में देखो।
See your face in mirror. See your face in mirror.
तुमने बहुत बड़ी भूल कर दी।
You made a terrible blunder. You made a terrible blunder.
मैं अपना ख्याल खुद रख सकता हूँ।
I can take care of myself. I can take care of myself.
तुमने क्यों पूछा?
Why did you ask? Why did you ask?
वह घोड़े बेचकर सो रहा है।
He is sleeping like a log. He is sleeping like a log.
मेरे पैर दबा दो।
Please press my feet. Please press my feet.
मैं बहुत ज्यादा थक गया हूँ।
I am deadly tired. I am deadly tired.
हो सके तो मुझे माफ कर देना।
If possible, forgive me. If possible, forgive me.
बाहर हल्की हल्की बारिश हो रही है।
It's drizzling outside. It's drizzling outside.
तुम एक दूसरे को कैसे जानते हो?
How do you know each other? How do you know each other?
कृपया आज मुझसे मिलना।
Kindly meet me today. Kindly meet me today.
मुझे बदनाम मत करो।
Don't defame me. Don't defame me.
अब मैं आपको कैसे समझाऊं?
How shall I make you understand now? How shall I make you understand now?
उसके बारे में बात मत करो।